Ramen with soft shell crab. Ito yung limited king ng Ramenagi this month of November to December. They have salted egg crab king and Sichuan crab king. Isa talaga to sa favorite part ko sa Ramenagi, lalo na pag pine-prepare yung food kasi meron silang open kitchen. Amoy na amoy mo talaga yung salted egg flavor and the Sichuan. Itsura pa lang, alam mo na creamy and rich yung broth ng salted egg. As usual, I like my ramen noodles firm. It complements well with the soft shell crab. Yung flavor, talagang lasang-lasa mo yung salted egg dun sa kanyang broth and doon sa crab. It has earthy and briny flavors and very creamy and rich. If you want something spicy yet flavorful, try Sichuan Crab King. It has nagi chili powder, black pepper, and spicy oil. Also, it has tonkatsu broth. Grabe din yung umami taste ng ramen na to. Fiery talaga yung taste. Buti na lang umorder ako ng matcha ice cream. This is something new for me, kaya itry nyo na din.